as it turns out, we have a little extra time before we have to leave. So we thought we would show you the biscuits coming out of the oven.
And the finished chicken and dumplings too.
Yeah.
So it's good. So you have biscuits, and then you have jelly and butter, and you have your whole meal. It's very good.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, now I'm
Switch it around. There's the biscuits. They smell so good. I should have been picking those up for you, Mama.
I think you should. I think you will.
Okay. Here you go.
Good
Don't
gracious, you got it in my face.
Don't put it in the oven.
Excuse my
Put
face.
it to your face. You have to sit.
Oh,
so they can-
I'm not sure how to do this. I think you're supposed to have her picking them out of the oven. You had it on me.
We're not real great at this. Okay.
My first time at video.
We got to sit them somewhere because this plate is hot. I can tell you that. Here they are. All right. They look amazing. Okay. Here we are back. You're back to our faces. And then I'm going to show you, Mom, tasting the chicken dumplings. Could you move that lid for me, Mama? Sorry, you're having to look at my face like that. All right. 1 second.
Okay. And
Here we are.
Look,
We've already scooped some out, truly.
see, that's what they look like. They're a little bit
They're
juicy.
really good.
And
Yeah, we went ahead and scooped some out.
Yeah. And see,
All right.
then they're good to eat.
All right, Mama.
see, show 'em
And
the
whoops,
bowl.
you're
See the
all
bowl?
just a pink
Wait,
sweater
show
right
'em.
now.
Look, show them the bowl.
I think I'm not being the greatest camera person today, but
Finished
sorry, y'all.
product. See?
There you are.
Yummy,
Give me
yummy.
a second. Slowly, this is coming back to where it should be. My phone is not cooperating with me very good. Okay, Mom.
See, this is the finished
I'm going to have
product.
to do it from far, far away.
And it's not runny, it's just sort of soupy with a little bit of thick because you had the flour that was on top of the dumplings that made it thicken up. And then you have your jelly that my daughter hasn't opened since Christmas.
And there's a plate. She gave me that jelly. And that's the plate waiting on the biscuit. And I cannot get this. I'm struggling with this right now, y'all. I'm struggling. But we're going to get it straight.
Where's your other pot holder?
It's hanging on the wall.
I got
So
one.
here's our little setup. And yeah, if you looked around, my kitchen is messy. Whatever. We're living in this house right
I'm gonna
now.
get the biscuits.
I think everybody's like that right now. Is your house a little more messy than usual these days? Mine is. I have stuff everywhere. I have like 6 or 8 packages of water there in my dining room, and we're using the dining room for our recording for the Sunday services too, so everything's crazy. Oh, there she is.
We actually have some of these biscuits to leave for Mike's children broadcast tomorrow with tea party.
Yeah, so those will be our, where Mike's doing story time biscuits for that, buttery biscuits.
And sure.
We still have a little bit of Kerrygold butter, but I want more. It's just a tiny bit left in there. So we're going to sit and eat. Mama's going to taste this. And then we're going to really, truly go pick up our groceries like we said we would. Those biscuits are awesome. I really wish we could share them with everybody. And the soup looks good. Chicken and dumplings. Mama, you coming back over here? You have to taste it, and then we're going to sign off for real.
Oh, we're not going to get to. Can I sit down to eat?
You can sit down. Sorry. I'm a little rushy today.
Okay, don't watch me eat, but you can see me taste. See, if it's juicy and not runny, but sort of sticks together a little bit, then it's really good. There's a dumpling. And I'm not going to put it
Is
in
it
my
any
mouth with
good?
you looking at me.
You're not going to. I thought you were going to taste it. There you go.
It's
Is
good.
it good? All right, it's good. So that's a thumbs up.
Maybe a little bit more salt. You just salt it to your taste. And some people put pepper, but I'm not sure I'm a pepper fan.
So salt and
Okay,
pepper.
and then you're supposed to put up some butter inside your biscuit and eat it with jelly.
Alrighty. All right, we're going to
Bye.
see you later. Bye-bye.
Gonna make